bawas yung salary namin. From
Okay. So,
pandemic.
banggit niyo po that you work as physical therapist in the Middle East. So, could you share with us your journey and experience working there?
So, nag-start ako by December 2011 din. Na-hire ako dito sa Middle East. Then, been almost 11 years almost. Actually, I work as a fitness coach here under a government institution dito sa Middle East. Simula noon until now, still the same. Same work. Actually, yung pandemic, isa yan sa pinaka memorable sa amin. Until now, so in our company, even though nasa government ako, kaya rin ako nag-decide, isa rin yan sa factor to take up the MPPE dahil bawas yung salary namin. Having a 30% deduction
From
until
pandemic.
now.
Until now.
Actually.
Parang isa yun sa naging factor.
Yeah, yun nag-push siya.
Mm.
Kailangan ko mag-step up. Hindi na siya fit for our family.